So in this basement, you will see the land and the people gallery of Northeast and the topographical richness of all the different tribe and the people of Northeast India, guys.
Jantia people look like this.
Oh, this is giant here. Okay.
Garo look like this. Khasi people.
Khasi have so many looks. Welcome to Don Bosco Museum, Shillong. Okay, hello Shillong, Khasi people, Kumno Pilong Paralog. Welcome back everyone. This is your African boy, and today we are going to explore one of the biggest museum here in Shillong, guys, by the name Don Bosco Museum, guys. So yeah, I'm so curious also, and you're gonna meet my friend. She's one of the famous female actress here. Welcome, say hi. Yeah.
Hi, it's your girl Florentina Sun over here.
Yeah, she's a celebrity. She's a celeb in the state, guys.
A local.
Yeah.
Local, yeah.
And
Local.
today she's gonna be like my local travel guide. She's going to guide me inside here, guys. So this is the museum. Yeah. So you said this is Jawai, right?
No, Shillong.
This is Shillong. Okay. Yes. Hello. Okay. So guys, I wasn't having permission for videograph, but I managed to capture a few of the photos. So on your way to the museum, you can see the alcoves gallery where they have almost like 22 alcoves in colorful dresses representing and welcoming you and make you feel at home. The museum is really so huge and beautiful, guys. So on the other hand, here you will find the land and the people gallery, whereby you will come to know the topographical richness of the northeast region, guys. And you can see different tribe showing up their faces, like this is the Jantia people. And you know, in northeast India, like especially Meghalaya, you will find Jantia, Khasi people, and in other state of northeast, like northeast India, you will also find the Garo people, the Khasi people, the Jantia, and so many other state like the Hajong. You know, there is so many that even I don't know. Only by coming into this museum, then I got to know a lot about the northeast India, guys, because there is around 8 state of northeast, guys. So they also show the neighboring country like Myanmar and Nepal and China, where they share border with the Northeast India. So let me welcome you to the Space Corner and the Space Gallery of India, guys. So in this room, I came to see few things that I also have information about it before, guys. Like you know, recently India did one of the biggest achievement by landing on the moon, which they call it Chandrayaan 2, guys. So it was also placed here and all the biggest achievement. So the center has set up a regional facility for advanced research in atmospheric and the space science, earthward undertaking and quantifying the process leading to regional weather and the climate viability, guys. You all know how important are the space research to every country. And here we have the mission and the culture gallery, guys. So here you really need to take your time once you come to this room, guys, because everything is written down and it will really take like 15 to 30 minutes to read and to understand all the mission and the culture gallery, guys, because it's not a small culture and it's not a small mission. So it will require at least few hours. And you know, we love all the cultures, guys. So this is expressed by the crown of a dance and ornamental figure at the top rim of the gallery. So now let's dive to the most and favorite gallery of mine, which I love about the Northeast. So here you will find about fishing, hunting, and gathering gallery, where it highlight a number of creative tools for fishing, hunting, and gathering used in Northeast India, guys. You all know that Northeast consists of different states, so for sure they have different tools for hunting and fishing. So the museum also showcase the traditional and technology gallery looks at the economic life of the vast majority of the people of the Northeast region. It gives you a tour of the various village level occupation. So here things are getting more interested for me, and I just love seeing it, guys. This is really so amazing, like how previously people in northeast from different state and different tribe, they create their tools just using their hand. It's like handmade, guys. And like every northeast state, they have the unique way of making their basket. And you can see, like, especially when I visit Meghalaya, they have this kind of basket which look like kind of a, how do you call it, like kind of a pyramid. And there is a lot of different shape, guys, and most of them, they have different purpose. And they also use it when fishing and hunting. And here is where you will get to know all the northeast state basket with their own purpose. And let's not forget pra, guys. Opera is also showed there, and they also describe the use of pra. And they added different basket. What are they used for? Like you can see the other basket on the right hand. They use it when in the old back in the days, guys, when people are sick, they used to lift people. Like all of this has its own purpose, guys. So let's dive into musical instrument gallery. And this is where Meghalaya came to be famous, because we all know how Meghalaya love music. And back in the days, guys, like the world was not that advanced and developed. So our ancestors or the Northeast people, they used their only handmade things to create the music and the music instrumental tools, guys. We also in Africa share the same similarity, as you can see from, but they all have different name, because different state in northeast, they have different language. And they all are unique in the way of creating their instrumental tools, guys. Okay, we all know how India is diverse when it comes to religion and culture. So here we present the religion and culture gallery, whereby it shows that both in religion and culture there are elements that can unify humanity, starting with the non-literate society. So the gallery take you through all the majority religious belief of the world, a real spiritual and cultural tower. So in this place, guys, you just need to take your time slowly. You will find the all religious in India, and it is really so clear and so easy to understand all the history of all the religious in India, like how it came. And what is so amazing, guys, like you have beautiful and a lot of picture and well explained that make you easily to understand the brief history of the northeast or India in general religion, and with a proof historically. And here let's dive into the pride of Northeast India. So you will come to understand all the weapon gallery and the heroes of all the different states in the Northeast, like you saw Arunachal Pradesh, for Meghalaya, and for all the other different states, guys. They showed previously what type of weapon that they use to survive and to struggle with it, guys. So this gallery is a reminder of how people struggle for survival with their own unique weapon from different states in India or Northeast, especially, guys. So they showcase all the different weapon with their different names, guys, and they everything is just so unique, guys. I just love seeing it. And like I feel like I am watching a movie when I'm inside this museum, guys. You can see the Sikkim's warrior, guys, and every state from northeast, it has a unique weapon, guys. And back in the days, like the world was not that advanced and developed, so they have their own handmade tools. And the next gallery is about the costume and the ornaments gallery, guys. So here you will come to see the different tribe of the northeast, different state, their own costume and the colorful shawl and all the ornaments they use, guys. You just have to know that northeast is a very big place where it has a different state, and every state has its own unique costume, ornaments, and the shovel they put. You can see different colorful shovel here. So in this gallery, it opened a window to the variety of the colorful shovel and ornament, which is the pride of every tribe in the northeast. And you can see different tribe. Even me, like there is tribe that I wasn't aware of it until I came to this museum. Like you will come to see the Garo tribe, the Khasi tribe, the Métis tribe, like every single tribe. We have Jantia tribe, and like from every state of northeast, you will find their tribe here, showcasing their own colorful shovel, the costume, and the ornament, guys. And it is just so beautiful to see all those things, guys. So make sure if you're going there, just drink more water and enjoy. So the last but not the least, guys, let's not forget the greatest man and the only saint behind all this amazing museum by the name Don Bosco. So here, the Culture Gallery of Don Bosco provide a mini world tour of Don Bosco contribution to the education and the culture in all five continents. Even I'm from Africa, and we have a lot of missionary of Don Bosco in my own country also. So he contributed in present like over 132 countries in all the five continents. And we also see the house pattern gallery and the natural resources here, guys. You can just tell me, guys, from where are you watching, because I am pretty sure you have more information than me regarding all the culture, the tradition, and the resources that you have in your own states. You can tell me more about your state, and in case there is something I miss out, guys, I really love everything I saw today. Okay, guys, so we are on the rooftop. We can feel the sky of Don Bosco. So cool, so nice here. So huge. Actually, guys, it's so huge to explore this place, and camera is not allowed. You are not allowed to take video inside. So I've been clicking pictures, and I don't know how am I going to explain for you all those, guys. So I'll be sorry in case if you be seeing only photos. But I'm just also so curious just to come here. It's okay sometime to see without even filming, and to witness and to learn also. So this place basically is just learning about the Northeast culture, tradition, belief, and everything in general. Like everything, guys. Yeah, see.
We are up in the
Wow, I feel like
7-story building. So actually, it's going to be 8-story.
I feel like if they didn't keep this cage,
Yes.
you can
yes.
easily slide that side.
See, they have put all these signboards over here also.
Ah.
Raj Bhavan is that side.
Okay.
We can see the courtyard from here also.
Wow, they just
If we come
indicated
here early in
everything.
the morning, we can see a glimpse of Himalaya.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I'm here with her, guys. I'm so happy that I met her, and she's helping me. Like, wow, she's explaining everything. Thank you so
Not
much.
really everything.
She's
but
doing her best. At least you are here.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So nice.
There's a cathedral like here.
Ah.
You don't see much.
And this place, they just made it, I can say, like they just made it perfectly. This is so beautiful, guys. See here, you can see this the city. Mawlai.
Yes, Shillong city.
Yeah. And you know, my first impression of this place also is so clean. When I was coming, like you can see the road, and the place is well managed. Yeah.
It's a Sacred Heart school, Sacred Heart Girls for
Okay,
girls.
school. It belonged to Don Bosco only.
Yes, listen.
Yeah. So guys, also in Africa we do have Don Bosco missionary. They have also the school, and whatever you can see here regarding Don Bosco also in Africa we do have. Like, yeah, it's a big missionary like mosque, In every country, I think is there, and every year in Africa, even in my country, we do celebrate Don Bosco Day, guys. Yeah, in the school, in the church, we used to go and celebrate. So it's a big, it's a saint, guys, and all the Christian, I think, especially the Catholic people, they know very well about him, guys. So may Saint Don Bosco bless all of us, guys. Yeah, amen. Okay.
Every Sunday.
Every Sunday.
Yeah. This is main church actually.
Okay.
Mawlai is very big, you know that?
Really?
This white house,
Huh.
it's a Don Bosco provincial house, and not its.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. So we have been inside the Don Bosco Museum, guys. It was really nice experience. And for everyone watching this video, in case you would love to know about the Northeast in general, guys, this museum is actually in Shillong, guys. But if you want to have the enough knowledge, information regarding the culture, tradition, and every single thing about the Northeast India, then I suggest you to visit this museum. Then you will get every information without even someone helping you, because everything is written there. And once again, thanks to this celebrity here, Florentina, guys. Yeah, she's a famous Khasi actress, guys. She's very good in acting. In case you have any movie, music video, you can hire her. Yeah, she's here.
Thank you.
Yeah. So this is the view nearby here, and this is the church. They usually
Saint Dominic Church.
Saint Dominic Church. They used to have their Sunday services. Yeah. And
The Don
huh?
Bosco Museum.
Don Bosco Museum. Okay, that is where we have been, guys. And here is few things I got from inside, guys. Yeah, you know, guys, I love Khasi people, so I choose to have this. So you can get from any different state of Northeast, you will find. So I got this, and I got this. It means Nai Api Shillong. I love Shillong. Thank you so much. Till next time.